Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word of the day is entrance. So, what does entrance mean? Well, simply put, an entrance is a way into a place. It's the point where you enter a building, a room, or even a more abstract space. Think of it as the door, the gateway, or the opening that allows you access. In everyday language, we use entrance to describe the part of a building you walk through to get inside. For example, the main entrance is on the left side of the building. It's a very common word, and understanding it is crucial for improving your English vocabulary. Let's delve into some synonyms. A few words that have a similar meaning to entrance are entry, access, and gateway. Let's look at each of them. Entry, like entrance, refers to a place where you can enter. For instance, there is a separate entry for staff at the back of the building. Here, entry functions just like entrance. Next up is access. While access more broadly refers to the ability or right to enter, it can sometimes be used in place of entrance, especially when referring to a specific point of entry. For example, the only access to the garden is through the kitchen. We can also use the word gateway. A gateway is an opening that can allow someone to enter a space. For example, the ancient city had a magnificent gateway leading to the center. Now, let's consider antonyms, words with opposite meanings. Words like exit, departure, and egress are all antonyms of entrance. Exit is probably the most common. It simply means the way out. The exit is clearly marked with a green sign. You'll often see exit signs in public buildings. Departure refers to the act of leaving a place, but it can also describe the place from which someone leaves. For example, the departure gate was crowded with passengers. Egress is a more formal term for a way out, especially in emergency situations. For example, the fire code requires 2 egress points in every room. Now, let's explore how we use entrance in everyday life. Imagine you're giving directions to a friend. You might say, "Meet me at the main entrance of the museum at 2 p.m." Or perhaps you're describing a building. The building has a grand entrance with large columns. We often use entrance in phrases too. For example, first entrance refers to the first time an actor appears on stage in a play. We might also say make an entrance, meaning to arrive in a way that attracts attention. Think of a celebrity making a grand entrance at an event. Here are some more examples of entrance in sentences and phrases. The hotel entrance was decorated with flowers. She made a dramatic entrance at the party. There is a small fee for entrance to the park. The secret entrance was hidden behind a bookcase. The stage entrance is located at the back of the theater. He blocked the entrance with his car. What time is the entrance to the stadium open? She stood at the entrance, waiting for her friend. The security guard stood at the entrance, checking bags. The sign above the entrance read, "Welcome." The building has 2 entrances, one in the front and one in the back. Please use the side entrance after 6 p.m. The garden entrance is overgrown with vines. He gained entrance to the club with his membership card. The guards denied them entrance to the building. The main entrance is wheelchair accessible. She swept the snow away from the entrance. The entrance was blocked by fallen debris. The children decorated the entrance with balloons. There was a long queue at the entrance to the concert. The movie theater entrance had a big poster advertising a movie. The dog waited patiently at the entrance to be let inside. The entrance was lit by lanterns. The school entrance was busy with children arriving in the morning. The museum entrance was guarded by a statue. They bought tickets at the entrance. The shop had an attractive entrance that drew customers in. The theater's stage entrance was hidden from view. He struggled to open the heavy entrance door. They waited inside the entrance area, out of the rain. Security cameras were located at every entrance. A doorman stood at the entrance of the fancy hotel. The parking garage entrance was clearly marked. The hospital's main entrance was always bustling with activity. The shopping mall entrance was decorated for the holidays. The haunted house entrance was dark and spooky. They checked their tickets at the entrance to the amusement park. The entrance fee included access to all the exhibits. The castle entrance was protected by a drawbridge. The secret passage had a hidden entrance. The entrance to the tunnel was narrow and dark. We had to show our identification at the entrance. The building's design featured a dramatic entrance. The company's headquarters had a grand entrance. The library's entrance was inviting and well-lit. To recap, today we've explored the word entrance, which means a way into a place. We looked at synonyms like entry, access, and gateway, and antonyms like exit, departure, and egress. We also saw how entrance is used in everyday conversations and phrases. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this episode helpful and informative. Before we go, I have a small request. If you enjoyed this podcast, please subscribe and leave a review. Your support helps others discover our show and improve their English skills. Also, I'd love to see how you can use entrance in your own sentences. Share your sentence in the comment section below. I'm excited to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the wonderful world of words.